Hey everyone, my name is Tuito, and in this video, I am excited to share my learning journey with you. Recently, I completed the course 1 of Deep Learning AI Python for the beginner sequence. In this video, I will talk about the highlight of the course and some of the challenge that I faced and what I learned along the way. I hope this help you if you considering to start owning AI learning journey. So let's get started. So the course is designed to teach the basic of the Python programming, especially for AI application. Here are the key topics that I covered. Number 1, introduction. What is the computer programming? This section helped me to understand what programming is all about. It's like giving instruction to a computer to make it to do what you want. I learned it that programming isn't just about the writing code, it's about solving problems logically. 2, writing code with a chatbot. This was a fun part. I got to write simple code with the help of AI chatbot. It made the learning more interactive because I could ask the chatbot question and get the instant feedback. It helped me to understand the basic Python syntax and how the code works. Number 3, navigate the learning platform. This part showed me how to use the core platform effectively. It might sound simple, but knowing where everything is really helping me to stay organized and focused. Number 4, running your first program. Writing and running my first Python program was a big milestone. It felt great to see my code actually work. I learned how to write simple print statement, do basic calculation, and display the output. Number 5, how to succeed in coding. This section gave me some great tips on how to become a better coder. It emphasized the importance of practice, patience, and not being afraid to make a mistake. Coding is all about learning from error and improving. Number 6, data in Python. This part introduced me to how Python handle data. I learned about different data types like number, text, and list. Understanding data is super important because it's the foundation for AI and learning machine. Overall, the course was very beginner friendly and easy to follow. And some challenge that I faced. Even though the course was beginner friendly, I did face some challenge. One of the tricky part was the understanding how Python manages different data types in the data in Python section. For example, working with the list and dictionary was confusing at first because I wasn't sure how to access or modify the data correctly. Another challenge was debugging my code. When I make a mistake, Python would show error messages that was sometimes hard to understand, but over time, I learned to read this message carefully and figure it out what went wrong. Debugging can be frustrating, but it also a valuable part of learning process because it helped me improve my problem solving skill. I also watched 3 Blue and 1 Proud video called But What is a Neural Network? This video explained how neural network work and it really helped me to understand the basics. A neural network is like a simplified version of how our brain works. It takes in information, processes, and then make a decision based on what it had learned. The video showed how the neural network adjusts something called weights and bias to improve the prediction. The animation make it much easier to understand complex concepts like activation, functions, and how the data move through the network. It was fascinating to see how the AI can learn from data just like humans learn from experience. Now let's talk about the universal approximation theorem. This might sound complicated, but it's actually a simple idea. The theorem says that a neural network with at least one hidden layer can approximate any continuous function. In other words, neural network are powerful enough to learn almost anything if they have enough data and set up correctly. This is why neural networks are used in so many applications, from recognizing image to understanding language. It's amazing to think that with the right data and training, AI can solve very complex problems. To wrap up things, completing Code 1 was great experience. I learned the basic of Python programming, understood how data work in Python, and got introduced to exciting concepts like neural network and the universal approximation theorem. Even though I faced some of the challenge, like debugging code and understanding the data structure, I keep going and learn from my mistake. That's the key to coding, and keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make any mistake. I am excited to continue with the next code in the AI Python for beginning sequence, where I learn more about variable, function, and how to build AI application. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more content about my AI learning journey. See you in the next video.